pretty much, I suppose, every chip maker for the most part is warning of the demand moving through, and all of them are suggesting the first quarter is going to be as bad as it gets. In your mind, is it going to be as bad as it gets?
Yeah, I think what we're actually seeing is in most of the major electronics, but particularly in the PC makers, we're expecting next year to be down 10, 11, maybe even 12% in units. And what that's going to actually manifest as is it's really going to be much more heavily handled in the first half. And then maybe third and fourth quarter, we might start to see some recovery from there, and we'll forget about how bad it was. But the bad part's going to happen in the next 6 months. And I think if you're a PC chip maker, now is the time for you to throw the kitchen sink into your earnings. And the fact that AMD did not do that gives me much more confidence that they see something very positive going forward in the next 12 months.
We used to say that Intel was the bellwether for the sector. Is it increasingly, given how much market share AMD has taken from Intel, is it increasingly AMD now that we look to for giving us a canary in the coal mine glimpse of the chip sector, Eric?
No, I think what's happening is Intel really fell behind in their process technology, and their process technology was the thing that really was their true competitive edge that allowed them to squeeze everybody out. And they've been doing this basically for 35 years. And now that they've squeezed everybody out, they've now fallen behind starting in 2016 with their 10 nanometer transition. And since then, it's kind of the wheels have been slowly coming off since then. And because of that, and because TSMC has been able to ramp ahead in process technology, and AMD has kind of hitched its wagon to TSMC and its process technology, AMD has been able to be very much more competitive and gain share, and thus has been able to take some major share in some real business, such as in the server business. I mean, this is real margin for Intel, and AMD's taking it away. So yeah, the canary in the coal mine, yes, you can look at Intel for units, but AMD is really where sort of the leading edge, the growth is really happening, I think.